Matt here from Trout Tales. With the trout fishing season about to kick off, we thought we'd take the opportunity to run through the gear we use and what we do to prepare it for a busy season of guiding here in Tasmania. So the first thing we like to check out is our rods. So we've got a Stalker Legend here. This is a 5 weight, generally use 5 and 6 weights here in Tasmania. So the first thing we like to do is just check these out, make sure all our rod guides are all nice and straight there. Nothing bound or out of the place there. And then check our reel seats as well, make sure that they're all working properly and that we've got a nice outfit there ready to go. Okay, so the next thing we're going to check out is our fly reels. So we've got a Stalker Legend fly reel here, loaded up with a fly line, and we're just going to check for any dirt that might have gotten in there, any loose sort of bits of debris that we might want to clean out, as well as checking the drag system. So we just make sure that that's nice and smooth and working properly. The last thing we want, get a big fish on and the drag system's not working. That's the last thing we want to do. So just check out your reel, make sure that's all working properly. With our fly line, we want to give that a good clean as well. So that'll accumulate a bit of dirt on there over the season. So we've got just a cloth here with a bit of fly line cleaning solution, and we're just going to run that through there and just clean off any dirt that might have accumulated on our fly line. After we've done that, we've got a solution here that's a fly line dressing that we can just apply to the fly line, and that'll just protect it and make sure it runs through the rod guides nice and smoothly, give you maximum casting distance. So that's always a good idea for your fly lines as well. So the next thing we're going to run through is our waders. So really important to do some gear maintenance on these over the off season, just to make sure you stay nice and dry and warm when you get back out there. So all we're going to do is just check for any sort of obvious signs of any holes. So if you do find any of those, with all your Stalker waders, you've got a little repair kit that comes with all of those that you can use to patch up any holes, as well as the Aquaseal here, which is a really good product for sealing up any smaller holes and little leaks along the seams. So have a good check over your waders, and that'll make sure that you stay nice and dry, nice and comfortable for when you're out on the water this fishing season. So the last thing to sort out before you get back out on the water over the season is just how you're going to store your flies and various accessories that you'll need. So we've got our vest here that we use for when we're shore based, and also a nice boat bag here. So really good way of storing all our, hook release tools, bit of float and line clippers, and all our fly boxes, leaders, tippet material as well. So get nicely set up with those, and that'll make sure that you're nice and organised when you get back out on the water.